How much does it cost to make a website in India? Do you also find it confusing that सब कंपनी इतनी अलग अलग प्राइस क्यों देते हैं? What is it so different that they are offering? And how should you decide what to pay? Today we will answer all these questions to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to developing a website, there are many variables involved. This can include whether your website is made using a builder or it's coded, how many pages it has, where is it hosted, the type of content that is there, the type of visuals that are there. हमने इन सभी फैक्टर्स के बारे में हमारे प्रीवियस वीडियो में बात करी है. सो फॉर नाउ लेट्स जस्ट जंप स्ट्रेट इनटू द प्राइसिंग. Website and app pricing are usually defined in terms of per page cost, and the type of content you add on it and the creativity you add on it increases the cost. Let's just explore some of the plans and see कि किस plan में आपको क्या मिलता है. Let's start with the basic plan. Here each page can cost anything between 2K to 4K. तो आप assumption लगा सकते हैं. If you have a simple website with just 2-3 pages like about us, home, gallery, तो इस वेबसाइट की कॉस्ट 6,000 से 10,000 के बीच में पड़ सकती है. ये वेबसाइट यूजुअली किसी बिल्डर की मदद से बनाई जाएगी, like WordPress or Wix. This will have a basic content that you will provide. It can have something foundational like SSL certificate, some more content areas like a footer with contact us page, your address, your social media handles, and your website can be ready within a week. Next, let's move to a slightly more premium plan, जहाँ पे आपकी per page cost will be anywhere between 6K to 8K. यानी कि अगर आप कोई भी एक वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं with 3 to 4 pages, it can cost you somewhere between 35 to 40,000. What is so different in this is that it is a slightly semi-coded website, which can also be used using some builder templates, but it is more storytelling and visual centric. You sort of are telling your entire brand story on that particular page. And there are a lot of technical things that are added on it, which is like a foundational setup, your Google console, your sitemap, and because of those interactions, the cost is slightly higher. Now let's look at the last one, which is the most advanced plan, where the cost can vary anywhere between 10K to 15K. अब ये कॉस्ट इतनी ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव क्यों है? ये पर पेज कॉस्ट इज सो एक्सपेंसिव बिकॉज ईच पेज इज डेवलप्ड बाय अ टीम ऑफ डेवलपर्स और विद द हेल्प ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स. यहाँ पे आपको सबसे ज़्यादा कस्टमाइजेशंस मिलेंगे. यू विल हैव ऑल द बेसिक थिंग्स बट द विजुअल्स कैन बी मोर डायनामिक एंड इंटरेक्टिव. इट कैन हैव एनिमेशंस एंड इफेक्ट्स. The website can have payment gateway integrations or other app integrations. You can also add customer chatbots or meta integration into this. So depending on all these functionalities that you require, the page cost can also go much higher, but it offers you the best scalability for future growth. Now, beyond these costs, there is a technical setup cost, which is called your domain and server hosting cost, which will be added to all these plans depending on the plan that you choose. Now, which plan is best for you? We would personally recommend that you go for a basic plan if your purpose is to showcase what your company does and you just want an online presence. It could be something as simple as for some verification process you need a website. You go with the second plan, which is a premium plan, if you want to showcase a portfolio which is very visual centric. For example, you're a photographer or you're a manufacturing company who has a lot of big catalogs to showcase and talk about different products. We will recommend the advanced plan for the companies like SaaS companies or companies who want a fully fledged e-commerce website that they want to scale in the future. जब आपकी website live हो जाएगी, then most of the agencies will offer you a monthly retainer plan. तो थोड़ा सा उसका भी हम आपको आइडिया दे देते हैं. इसके अंदर भी मेजरली 3 टाइप के प्लान्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट विल बी लाइक अ बेसिक प्लान जिसकी कॉस्ट होगी 3,000 से 5,000 रुपए, जिसके अंदर वो आपका डोमेन और होस्टिंग मेंटेन करेंगे. आपको कुछ रेगुलर अपडेट्स डालने हैं या वेबसाइट डाउन है, so they will take care of all those things. Second, you can choose a standard plan which can cost anywhere between 10 to 15K. यहाँ पे आपको थोड़े डिजाइन एलिमेंट्स ज्यादा मिलेंगे. इफ यू हैव रेगुलर अपडेट्स, आपको ब्लॉग के साथ पिक्चर्स डालने हैं, टेक्स्ट अपडेट करना है रेगुलरली, यू हैव डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट आर गोइंग ऑन दैट यू वांट टू ऐड. So when you keep adding more and more data on everyday basis, this plan is best for you, and they also do some on-page and off-page SEO that might help you get better business. The last one is the advanced retainership plan, which can cost anywhere between 20 to 25K. Now, in this plan, you can be completely stress free about your website. You will get every other update that you want to do, but at the same time, you will get very active SEO that makes sure that you get the right leads. Some of these plans can also include paid marketing and a very active performance tracking. I hope now you have a basic idea of how much does it cost to make a website in India. These prices can vary slightly depending on the city, the type of website that you choose, or the agency, but they generally fall in these ranges itself. But more than anything else, you must have a website, and if you have not started your journey yet, please start making a website. And if you need our help in it, please reach out to us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more branding content.